In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as your personal assistant for writing professional and genuine thank you emails. I start by typing in a detailed persona prompt, asking the AI to help me craft messages that sound human and sincere rather than like a generic template. I'm making sure to specify that the tone should be professional but warm, keeping each email short enough to read in under 30 seconds. Once I hit enter, ChatGPT responds immediately by providing a great starting set of templates for various situations, including job interviews, follow-up meetings, and professional referrals. I'm scrolling through these now to see how it handles the structure and tone I requested, ensuring each one leaves a strong and positive impression. Next, I want to get more specific, so I'm asking for a thank you email tailored for a marketing coordinator interview at Horizon Digital Agency. I include specific details about our discussion regarding social media growth and content consistency to make the message feel more personal. The AI generates a perfectly structured email that reinforces why I'm a great fit while remaining polite and concise. After that, I decided to draft another email, this time for a networking coffee meeting I had with a manager named David. I'm asking ChatGPT to include a reference to the advice he gave me and an offer to return the favor in the future. The resulting draft is professional yet approachable, hitting all the right notes for a networking follow-up while keeping the language natural. To finish things off, I ask the AI to review and polish the email one last time to ensure the flow and specific details are perfect. It provides a final, high-quality version along with a helpful breakdown of the specific improvements it made to the clarity and tone. This workflow makes it incredibly easy to send thoughtful, personalized follow-ups in just a few minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.